Hey everybody, it's Freebird. This is the second time I've tried to record this video. The first time I played the games, I got recording, but it didn't record the games for some reason. And of course, I don't pay attention. So we're just gonna go on an adventure in the Google Play Store to find some less than popular coloring puzzle-like games. As you can see, I found a few, but they are all kind of miss the mark when it comes to certain things. Like I played this one. It's kind of interesting. Oh, and very loud. Oh, blew my eardrums out. All right, so let's see. We have the Eiffel Tower here, which you see has these little pieces that you got to put together. See, like that goes there, and that goes there, I guess. Yeah, see, and you just kind of add these pieces throughout the way, kind of layer on each other. Let's see, where's that other tree? There it is. Okay, what am I looking for? I don't even know. What's this one? That is not something we need. I don't even know what's happening here. Does that go somewhere? What the heck? What is this? Maybe I should have restarted on... Oh, what's that? Nope, that's like Notre Dame or something like that. Oh, there we go. There's that. Okay, and there's that one. Okay, now we can add this house. I like the little clunk sound it makes, but... Alright, so that goes there. Now we're getting somewhere. We are making progress, people. Alright, there's the roof. And those windows don't go to that, so moving on. Oh, there you go. Okay. And then we got that there. Sweet. Is that... No, those aren't those. Okay. See, this is like it's fun and all, but it's not really a coloring game per se. But it is kind of a fun artsy thing. I'm missing... Oh, there. Nope. Wait, is that... Okay, that's that. And so that one's done. And then... Does that go? Nope. Okay. Cool beans. Alright, so this window probably goes there. We're just randomly hanging in space. No big deal. Okay, that has got to... Okay, I just didn't go down far enough. That's cool. And then those... And then there's the roof. Okay. And then we add some more poofy clouds to the mix. And whatever that is. Yay! L'homme à Paris. I pretty much butchered that, but that's cool. So yeah, this game's kind of fun, and like I could sit here and do it for a while, but I mean it's not really... It's more of like a puzzle game. Oh my gosh, that's spiders. Anyways, so yeah, that one I didn't uninstall. It was pretty good, but just not really a coloring puzzle game in the sense that I would call it. Let's see, what was another one I found? Let's see. See, there's so many different coloring books, but none of them are really puzzles, I guess. You know, you got Coloring Sheets 2020. I love Hue. So many different things. Coloring story. Let's see where. See, it's this ones that says coloring stories, and then it's casino and paint art gallery. Sounds uber fascinating, but I feel like it's not going to be anything like it tells me. Oh my goodness, it's very loud. Ow, 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 ow. What is that sound and how do I make it stop? Oh jeez. Okay, this is basically just like the gallery game. How is this any different than gallery other than we don't get to make your home decor or whatever? Yeah, this is kind of ridiculous. It's got the same kind of like the rewards and add-ons and stuff as everything else. So nothing new for this one. At least in the other one I get to make over a house as I'm coloring. But this I do not get that. Okay. Ew, my phone vibrated. I don't know if you could hear that. But let's see. Oh, okay. I've already had enough of this. We're done with that one. So uninstall. Yeah, no thanks. And see, it gives me these like suggested, well, not just for, you know, coloring or whatever, but it's just DIY world. See, and I can get lost on Google Play just with random games that I find, and I try to get ones that, you know, aren't, you know, just downloaded by 1,000 people or more. You know, I like to get the ones that I know are pretty good. But so ones like, you know, this for say, you know, 10,000 downloads, I'm not really, oh, okay, that's not family friendly. Dot to dot connect the dots. Yeah, it's 10 million people. I want to try and get some under that. Glitter color. Princess coloring book. A special color by number. Mix color and paint dropper. Real mixing paint puzzle. Well, that sounds intriguing. Let's see what that means. It's probably for kids, to be completely honest. But we're going to try it anyways and see. Can I just say that I love Bluestacks? Like, other than the not being able to zoom in on certain things, it's really cool because I can play all of my mobile games on my computer because, you know, sometimes I just don't want to like play on my screen. I want to be able to just use a mouse, and BlueStacks kind of makes that possible. And mind you, this video is not sponsored by BlueStacks or Google Play. I am simply just giving them a plug because I feel like it. Ooh, nice music. Yeah, this is definitely for kids. It's got to be. Okay, so we got an apple. And of course, we have an ad. Lovely. I don't want it. Okay, fill the colors according to this reference image. Okay, drop the colors here to mix multiple colors. Tap this button to clear the colors. I can't zoom in. Alright, so we want red. Why can't I just paint with red? Oh, it's one of those. Lovely. La 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 la. Okay, I don't mind these kinds where it's like you have to fill it in yourself. Okay, here we go. La 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 la. Okay, but my finger and my cursor do not match at all. Aw, see? Dang it. Okay, whatever. How do I get this absolutely perfect? There's no way. And it's timed. Oh my gosh, I just now realized my stress level just went up. Why must you time me to do such a thing? Okay, so we got... Okay. See? What the heck? I'm not gonna get this perfect. Alright. Okay, is this as good as it's gonna get? I feel like this is as good as it's gonna get. Oh, 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 yay! Okay. Oh, I had 8 seconds. Oh, but 3 stars. Oh, goodness. That's kind of stressful. Like, I feel like you gotta get it perfect, but... Okay, so now we're mixing yellow and we're mixing red to make orange, okay? And then we're gonna color this orange. Okay, but this will be a lighter orange. Okay, so we're gonna add white to it to make it... Okay. Ah, dang it. I keep forgetting that you have to be way down here to be able to... Yay! The music's kind of fun. Okay, I need new orange to be able to... Seems legit. Isn't this how you paint at home? Totally is how I paint at home. Okay, we'll call that good. Yay! I got 3 stars again. Okay, I've spent way too much time on this game. So, I give this one a pretty good rating. I wouldn't uninstall it. Mix color and paint dropper real mixing paint puzzle. I didn't see how many stars it had. It's not bad though. I mean, it's pretty decent. Let's see. Let's move on to another one. Do do do. Now that song's gonna be stuck in my head. I don't even know it. Color it. Animal coloring by number, jigsaw puzzles. See, in this one you have where it's anime manga coloring pages with animated effects. It's tempting, but I feel like with anime manga, it wouldn't exactly be appropriate sometimes. Jolly paint. Oh, that sounds fascinating. Oh, that's kind of... Let's check it out and see. Again, we're pending, but I do want to say that if Bluestacks or Google ever wants to sponsor me, I will not say no. Do 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 do. I don't know about you, but since Thanksgiving was yesterday as of recording this, now my housemates are decorating for Christmas. So all I hear above me are the footsteps and Christmas music and the random, dropping of something. Anyways, let's get back to the coloring book. Give me some good music. Or none at all. Okay. So choose a color in the palette. Okay. Do I not have like a color by number? That's kind of sad. I just kind of choose whatever I want. I don't get like some kind of instruction. I like instruction. Okay. Let's just... Yeah, that's all it is. Okay, well that just uninstall. That just ruined it all. So, princess color by number. Forest, kids coloring puzzles and games for toddlers. Oddly want to click it. Pink Fong. Yeah, I don't want color by number secrets. What? I feel like this is going to be inappropriate, but I am insanely intrigued right now. This is all just, oh my goodness. Is this kind of like one of those choices games? Oh jeez, music too loud. Is this like one of those choices games, but only with oh, that sound. I love it. Bloop, bloop. Oh, this is so satisfying. I don't care anything about this game as long as that sound just stays forever. I love that sound. I don't know why that's a paint sound, but it's perfect. I love it. Dude, look at those colors. That's kind of awesome. I think I'm going to like this game. Nice. Oh, thank you, nice pretty lady voice. These are all kind of the same color, but they're so cool. Where's my other 6s? I can't like zoom in or zoom out at all. That's kind of annoying, but that's not got anything to do with, oh, there it is. Oh, a very low woman's voice. Doop, doop, doop. It like changes too. It's like doop, doop, doop. I could do without the like finish pling. I don't. Oh, how many? Like, where's the secrets though? Like, we got the colors, but where's the secrets? I want to get to the secrets. This is obviously a New York skyline. I mean, the Statue of Liberty. I feel like I don't have much negative to say about this right now. I love this. I don't know what the secrets will bring to the table, but Opa! Wait, is that it? Is that all? No, I got 17. Okay. Oh! Continue. Once upon a time in New York story. Okay, now I have to turn on the music just to hear. How do I turn it down? Oh, jeez. Whew. As long as I'm louder than the... Okay, so. Once upon a time in New York. Is that it? There's... Okay. Alright, well, I guess I don't need the music for this then. Alright. Okay, so we have Once Upon a Time in New York, East River. Oh, we have a story with this. Hi, Renee, you're gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Few hours later. Oh, she got thrown into the river. Oh, what? Oh my goodness, what is going on? I am most intrigued. This might just turn into a let's play of this game because honestly, it's intriguing. Bloop, and that droop, 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 drippy. There's some more somewhere. Oh, your eyeballs. Okay. Where else? I hate that I can't zoom in. I need to learn if that is possible. Okay, I'll just... Okay. So we got a blonde lady here. Super. Thought I saw something over here that was... Okay. Man, I wish... I'll have to play this on my phone. Oh, they have the little things in the corner of their eyes. Oh boy, that's fun. Oh, brown man here. Oh, I see. There it is. Okay. Doop doop. And her pink nails. And nothing else pink anywhere? No? Hello? This is taking far too long. And I hate that I'm enjoying this so much. Ooh, very brown eyes. Those are gorgeous. The coloring on this is just amazing. I can't even. I can't even. Nice. Keep. Oh, there we go. Okay. She's got everything pink. Then there's her blonde hair. That's totally stereotypical. Blonde girl with the pink accessories. Man, and how does she get blonde eyebrows? I never have had blonde eyebrows. My eyebrows have always been so dark. Because I'm blonde, by the way. Well, blondish. My hair's gotten darker the older I get. Okay, where's the other white? Okay, I don't know where the other white is. Oh wait, there it is. Her teeth. Her teethers. Oh, how extremely white you are. And our ear. Awesome! Alright, then your little fro thing here. And your shirt. Oh, I only got good on that one. Rude. What about this blue? Where's this blue? Oh, her eyes are blue. Oh, nice. Okay. And then where is... Oh. Hey! Alright, so let's see. No, I don't want your stupid ads. Wait, what's this? A woman's shoe. Dun dun dun. Okay, well that was fascinating and I'll have to come back to that. But for now, I'm going to call this video here because that went way too long. So if you like, please like and make sure to comment, subscribe, share, and ring that bell and all that good stuff. And I will talk to you later.